Hey, it's Dave from SendPush again, and in this video, I'm going to show you what I think is the most powerful feature inside of SendPush, and that is the ability to send geo-targeted based lock screen notifications directly to people's phones. So if someone has the Pass installed on their phone, you can set a geolocation here in the platform with a specific message attached to it. And when that phone enters that geolocation, that lock screen notification is going to pop up on their phone like a billboard. It's crazy, and I love it. There's so many use cases for this. Just as one example, and we'll get into many different use cases for this and ways to use it and some of the training that we do. This is more about the technical setup and how to use it. Imagine a restaurant has a VIP club, right? They get people installing the Pass on their phones. They set up a geo location around their restaurant. Maybe they're in a big shopping plaza, right? As their customers might enter into that shopping plaza, that lock screen notification will trigger because the phone has entered that boundary, and they can put a message on there like, hey, you're nearby. Why don't you stop in for lunch? Or whatever it happens to be. It's incredibly powerful. And there's so many different ways that you can use this. This is really amazing for small and local businesses, but many, many different use cases. But what I want to show you here is actually how to set it up and how to use it. Okay, so from your dashboard page, you'll go to the left-hand menu and you want to click on Locations. Okay. So once you've done that, you're going to see a message here, and there is a little bit of a caveat currently, but temporarily. Right now, Google has temporarily disabled the ability to send geo-targeted notifications to their Android mobile phones. They are actually in the process of recreating their wallet app, and in the near future, they should be opening this up again. So right now, currently, the geo-targeted locations will only work on iOS devices. Now, it does suck not to have the Google side of this right now, but with that being said, this is still incredibly powerful. There are hundreds and hundreds of millions of people out there who use iPhones each and every day. Lots and lots of iPhones out there in the wild. So while we're waiting for Google to come back into the mix here, this is still really powerful and incredibly easy to set up, right? So what you want to do from the locations page is click add location. Okay, you'll give your location a name. Okay, we'll just call it demo for now. You'll select which pass that you want to attach this notification to. All right. Then you'll set the notification message. So something like, hey, you are nearby. Oops. Stop in for a coffee. Something like that. I'm just giving you an example. It could be anything. So this is the message that will actually display on the mobile device. And then the next step and final step here is just to simply put in an address, right? So let's see here. And once you find that on your map, you're going to click to enable the location, and that's it. Now, anytime somebody enters that geolocation, that lock screen notification is going to show up on that mobile device. It's really cool. Now, a couple things you can do here. You can always go back and edit these if you want to make an edit, change the location, change the message. You may want to just be able to toggle this on and off, right, without deleting it. Maybe you want to turn it on in the morning and turn it off in the afternoon, depending. You might have different messages, right? You can also just totally delete this. So this is going to be showing up here should be showing up on my mobile device here any second, and we'll just kind of wait a sec for that to show up. All right, so here it is. The lock screen notification has popped up on the mobile device here. We'll kind of move this over and you can see it right here, right? So test pass. Hey, you're nearby. Stop in for a cup of coffee. Pretty damn cool, isn't it? Now, if you click on this, it's going to open up the pass and you can now interact with that pass. Buy one, get one free small coffee until 5 p.m. today. Pretty cool. So that is how simple it is to set up a geo-targeted lock screen notification.